Welcome to this advanced guide to Azure Synapse PowerShell, where we will explore the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices for leveraging PowerShell in Azure Synapse. First, let's start with the basics. Azure Synapse is a limitless analytics service that brings enterprise data warehousing and big data analytics together. PowerShell is a powerful task automation and configuration management framework from Microsoft. And when combined with Azure Synapse, it enables you to automate and manage your analytics services efficiently. To get started with Azure Synapse PowerShell, you need to install the Azure Synapse PowerShell module, which can be done by running the install module command in PowerShell. Once installed, you can import the module and start using the various CMDlets to manage your Azure Synapse resources. One of the key concepts in Azure Synapse PowerShell is the use of CMDlets, which are lightweight commands that perform a specific task. For example, the Get As Synapse Workspace CMDlet is used to retrieve a list of Azure Synapse workspaces, while the New As Synapse Pipeline CMDlet is used to create a new pipeline. Practical examples of using Azure Synapse PowerShell include automating the deployment of Azure Synapse resources, such as workspaces, pipelines, and datasets, as well as monitoring and managing the performance of your analytics services. You can also use PowerShell to automate tasks such as data ingestion, data transformation, and data loading. Best practices for using Azure Synapse PowerShell include using secure authentication methods, such as Azure Active Directory, to authenticate with your Azure Synapse resources. It's also recommended to use resource groups to organize your Azure Synapse resources and to use tagging to categorize and track your resources. In terms of security, Azure Synapse PowerShell provides a range of features to help you protect your analytics services, including encryption, access control, and auditing. You can use PowerShell to configure these features and to monitor the security of your Azure Synapse resources. In conclusion, Azure Synapse PowerShell is a powerful tool that enables you to automate and manage your analytics services efficiently. By following the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices outlined in this guide, you can unlock the full potential of Azure Synapse and take your analytics services to the next level.